Okay, we have a multicam CNC router, model MG305, serial number MG305-401892. Machine was new in 2000. We're going to run it for you. Machine has an 80 by 144 table with 72 inches of cross travel and 144 of longitudinal. You have 8 inches of Z-axis spindle travel. The spindle speed is programmable to 18,000 RPM. You have a vacuum table, 25 horsepower, BALDOR blower, and a MASTERCAM or a MULTICAM CNC control. We're going to move the head. Is the spindle running? It's starting the spindle. There it goes. 10,000 RPM. Going up. 15,000 RPM. Okay. That's kind of it. Thank you for watching our video.